I'll be reviewing the Casio WK-245. This is a keyboard. It has a bunch of different sounds and it allows me to connect with my computer, which is what I really like. I'll just showcase some of the different sounds this has. So this is just the regular piano sound that we got here. Turn it up a little bit. So as you can see, it has a pretty nice sound. Sounds like a real piano for the most part. This is a distorted guitar sound. So it has different instruments. So we got some brass here. It sounds alright, I guess. It also has different drum set sounds as well. A bunch of different sounds. It also has this nice little percussion map down at the bottom, so if you ever want to know what the keys do for instruments, it'll tell you right down there, so that's really nice. Also has organ sounds, has electric sounds, has one thing that I don't particularly like about it is that the keys, they don't feel like a real piano. They feel kind of fake. So when you're playing it, it doesn't have the same kind of weight to the keys as a real piano does. It has a lot of rebound, kind of messes up your fingering sometimes. Not really that big of a deal. Other than that, I really like the sounds that it has. Really nice keyboard. I think it really suits me. I'm going to move over to the computer now so we can see how it works in the MIDI sense. Alright, so we're on the computer now. What I mainly use the keyboard for is to enter things into Finale. Alright, so now we got this all set up. If you don't have a MIDI keyboard, the way you have to enter something is by hand. For instance, I wanted to add C major into here. So that took me maybe 20 seconds to do all that. But if I wanted to do that with the MIDI keyboard, it's a lot simpler. And if I wanted to add the same thing, I could just plop it in there, and same for this. And that was a whole heck of a lot faster than trying to do it all by hand. That's the main purpose that I use this for. Another way you can use this is through GarageBand. So if you wanted to enter something in GarageBand, oh no. So if I wanted to enter something, I'd just click record, give me a count off. Something along those lines. Just play it back for you. So that's another thing that's kind of handy about the MIDI keyboard, is that you can use it for GarageBand as well if you wanted to. That's about all I have to share on the Casio WK-245. I really enjoy it. I think it's a great keyboard. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks.